Steff Davies i fyny amdani efo Thomas. O, mae'n gyfle fan hyn i Franklin. O, arbediad o safon ucha gan Jones. Darlington at Sam Phillips. Dyma Harry Franklin wan, mae yna ddau yn y canol yn disgwyl am y croesiad. Un o'n nhw di John Owen. Allo gael lle i gael i'r ergyd i fewn yn ôl allan hi at Harry Franklin. Ergyd gampus gan Harry Franklin. Da ni di chwarae 10 munud o'r hanner cynta. Derwyddon dim, Aberystwyth 1. Darlington wedi gweld yr hediad gan Sam Phillips. O, na chi bas hyfryd. Phillips i gwneud ti'n ddwy o arbediad gwych. Unwaith eto gan Michael Jones. Torres. Bale bron a cael ei dwyn gan Darlington. John Owen. Iddo amseru'r bas allan at Steff Davies. Davies os a greisio di fod a John Owen ar y postyn. Pella! Alex Darlington, ond mi oedd o'n cam sefyll. Ac am ddiffyn y Derwyddon yn cael ei holli'n llwyr unwaith eto. 19 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Johan Evans ar gig gornel. Yr peniad ar y postyn gosa. Phil Mooney yn union i'r sgôr y cefnwr mawr. Yn amseru rediad at y postyn gosa yn berffaith. Franklin. Bale yn cael ei dwyn wan ta. Niall Flint wedi gweld yr hediad gan Garrett. Mae'n 3 yn erbyn 3. Garrett, Bale yn sgwar at Antonio. Mae'n disgyn i Liam Thomas i'r Derwyddon, i'r gefn rwyd, a maen nhw ar y blaen. Liam Thomas, hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner, ac ydi buddugoliaeth gynta'r tymor ar y ffordd i'r Derwyddon. Tyn. Garrett. Yn ôl at Tyn. Cyfle fan hyn i Antonio, doedd o ddim yn cam sefyll. Antonio, Bale yn sgwar at Flint! Dyna'r drydydd! Niall Flint! 10 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. A siawns bod y triphwynt cynta'r tymor yn ddiogel bellach. Fiel. Yn ei gyfeiriad Ben Wyn. Allo gael y creisiad i fewn cyn chwaraeon yr Derwyddon. Mae dal yna i Wyn. Ben Wyn i gefn y rhwyd yn sgorio yn erbyn i gen glwb. A mae gennym ni 5 munud yn weddill. Oes na ddiweddglo dramatig yma ar y graig. Angen pêl hir i fewn i'r cwrt fan hyn i gyfeiriad John Owen. Mooney ar peniad. Flint. Bale cael ei dwyn gan Bradford. Y gwiriad, yna gyfle fan hyn! Owen Jones! Wedi union i'r sgôr. Wel, smonach yn y cefn i'r Derwyddon. Mi gymrodd y Bale wiriad. A pw oedd yna i fanteisio, ond yr eilydd Owen Jones.
Do you know what? We lost to these 5-0 3 weeks ago. And what a performance against them. We took the game to them, we matched them. I'm not saying we were brilliant, but I was really proud of my players tonight to get something out of that game. And to go 3-1 up, yes, I was praying a little bit, but it's football, and we've got to learn from it. And we'll be better for that next time, because as I said, we haven't been there very many times this season, because we're normally 3-1 down and we're tracing games, but we've got to be a lot more professional. We've got a bit of game management. Lads are gutted in there when we get a point, but we've got to do better in the last phase of the game, and just clear your lines. It's simple.
I was impressed with Druids today. Fair play to them. I thought they give everything. They changed a couple of players in there. I think first 15 minutes I thought we were very dominant. Got the goal and then could have had a couple more. So we could have been looking rosy. They obviously scored just before they scored the corner, and that it took us by a little bit surprised then, because obviously set pieces we're normally quite good at. So and then the momentum went with them for a while. So like you say, credit to them. They give everything. Probably for the spectator, it's a great game. For us, we're very disappointed because we came here to win the game, and again they're probably be disappointed because they've lost the 3-1 lead going into the 5 minutes at the end.
Owain, gadael i'n hwyr unwaith eto.
i hwnna digwydd 2 waith yn wythnos. So, ni'n siomedig i dod mas gyda pwynt un, ond mae'n dangos cymeriad dros y 2 gêm diwetha.
Ac Owain Jones yn y lle iawn ar yr amser iawn unwaith eto? Fi'n
credu mae wedi bod yn rwystredig fi dros y misoedd diwetha gyda anaf. Ond mae'n nais i bod yn ôl a fi'n dangos beth fi'n gallu gwneud nawr. So.